Yo, it's your boy, Ivan Vegan here. How's it going? Wonderful people, human beings. Hope you're all doing well. Hope the summer is going good for you. I certainly had a interesting summer so far. Yeah, I found temporary living in a nice family that let me stay for 2 weeks. A vegan family. It's the first time I've ever lived with vegans. It's gonna be in August. It's gonna be 6 years that I've been vegan, and I have never lived with vegans. It's crazy. Anyway, I just wanted to do a little quick recipe. I mean, it's not even a recipe, but like an idea for a smoothie. So a banana smoothie. You know, there are lots of different variations on banana smoothies, but this one is like the most simplest one you could think of. Let me just move the camera here. And I just want to say something to people who subscribe to the channel, or just anyone who came across this video. You know, sorry, I just got a text message. When people buy bananas, right, and they eat them yellow or green or something, I'll give you an example, right? Give me a second. Like, this banana is starting to get ripe. You see these black spots? It's already, so if there are no black spots on the banana, I don't eat that banana because it's not ripe. I want the fruit to have as much sugar as possible, you know? So these bananas are almost, you know, getting black. That's when I start to eat them. Or when they're just like mushy, you know, that's when they're most sweetest, you know? I want the fruit to have the most sugar available. So I wait until it's like this, you see? Sometimes, you know, sometimes it's totally black, because it's in a smoothie, it's going to be liquid anyway, it doesn't matter, you know? So this banana is kind of getting ripe, but something like a green banana, obviously not ripe, but if it's just completely yellow and no black spots, that's also not ripe. So I don't eat it, you know? I remember when I eat it, it's just not sweet, it feels like it's acidic, you know? It just feels acidic, the banana. So I wait until the banana looks like this, okay? So the smoothie. So how many I got? Got three. I can't count. I got 6 bananas. Sometimes I put more, you know. And today, I'll pour chocolate milk. Usually, what I do is I put soy milk and then I add a bit of chocolate powder. You know, just any chocolate powder to have like a vegan banana smoothie. Or I like to do bananas, soy milk or almond milk, whatever your preferred milk is, a bit of sugar or maple syrup, and then sprinkle with cinnamon. Good stuff, you know? So obviously, you know, you take the bananas, you smash them in, you know. Shout out to Ninja Blender, not sponsored, but the good blenders. And they got a bunch of like cool options on there. Boom. So anyway, yeah. If you like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you like them or whatnot. Anyway, yeah, so just, you know, peeling my bananas, and that's how you peel them. You know, it's a lot easier this way, because you don't have to screw around with this, you know, that's the little secret hacks that are well known. Anyway, so just, you know, throw the bananas in there, and if you like it extra chocolatey or extra thick, add less soy milk or what your preferred milk is, and you know, and add a bit of extra chocolate powder to give that cacao boost, you know. So yes, just squash the bad boys up. Just, you know, I mean, look, if you're early in the morning, if you want to get like 1,000 calories, that's about 10 bananas. You know, this is about 600 calories, maybe roughly. It's about like 89, 90, maybe 100 calories per banana. These ones are small, so they might be like 89, whatever. But this is the good stuff, you know? This is the good stuff. It's got a ton of carbohydrates, fiber, protein. Not much protein, but you don't need that in the morning, you know? Protein in the evening, you know? Smash the fruit in the morning if you want to get more energy. Ditch coffee. Drink banana smoothies. Eat more fruit and hydrate. And honestly, you're gonna, you know, stop, you know, like, I don't need coffee because I get my energy from real food. You know, coffee is a drug. I mean, sure, cacao is a drug, but it's not as bad as coffee, which literally is full of caffeine, and it tells your body that you're not tired, you know. So that, you know, boom, like that, I had a bit of shake this bad boy up, you know. Christ, my hands are full of banana and they dropped the milk. So I like mine, you know, extra watery, I guess, or something like that. So, and then just gonna blend this up now and show you the end result. You know, it's pretty simple shit. So it's 50 seconds later, put the smoothie section on and ta-da, you got the little smoothie there, nice and thick. And it's simple. I mean, sure you can do some fancy stuff, but honestly, bananas, some soy milk. I mean, some people do it with water, you know, bananas, water, sugar, some fucking cinnamon or something like that, you know, oats. You know, you could just do so many cool things with bananas. Dates, add dates in there if you want something really special. Add a bunch of bananas, soak the dates in water, and then add them in the smoothie. It's like caramel. It's so delicious. Some soy milk or some almond milk or whatever, or you want maybe cashew milk, get a really creamy shit stuff, or hazelnut milk really goes nice with chocolate powder and bananas. Boom. This is actually what I'm having for dinner too, so I'm kind of, you know, don't want to cook anything and I gotta cook something for tomorrow for lunch, but I hope you enjoyed this little smoothie recipe. Try it out, see if you like it, but make sure your bananas are ripe. That way you get a really tasty smoothie, you know? People say, I've got sugar or I've got a sweet tooth, like it's a bad thing. No, because sugar is good for you, especially fructose. It's a good thing for your body. Alright, so try this out and tell me how it went, and subscribe and like and share, and I'll see you in the next one, boys and girls, and appreciate all the support from all the social media platforms, and thank you. Alright, peace out.